My twin flame is strongly attracted to me. My twin flame radiates pure and unconditional love to me. I rest assured in the knowledge that I will reunite with my twin flame in perfect divine timing. I am reuniting with my twin flame in perfect divine timing. My twin flame is the love of my life and the center of my universe. My twin flame loves me as much as I love my twin flame. I am holding my twin flame in my arms in perfect divine timing. Perfect divine timing is making sure that my twin flame and I come together in best of possible positive moments. I am now sending loving, caring, sincere, healing, uplifting, and protective energy in abundance to my twin flame. I see everything with loving eyes. I understand my twin flame perfectly as I am able to see my twin flame's point of view. Gratitude opens many doors, and my heart is filled with all the keys. As I heal my beloved self, I heal my beloved twin flames connection. I am surrounded by love, and everything is perfect. My relationships are long-lasting, loving, and very positive. I see everything with loving eyes, and I love everything that I see. I encounter love in all my relationships, and I love these positive encounters. Everywhere I go, I find love. My life is joyous. My twin flame and I are a perfect match for each other. The love and the trust between us is divine. I radiate pure and unconditional love to my twin flame. My twin flame radiates pure and unconditional love to me. We complement each other. I always express my feelings openly and honestly to my twin flame. Whatever to be my relationship, love and forgiveness is the foundation of my relationship with my twin flame. In all of my relationships, with all my past partners, my parents, my siblings, or my friends, I only give pure and unconditional love, and I only seek pure and unconditional love. I give out love, and it is returned to me. My twin flame and I are perfect for each other. We were brought together in divine timing. The love and the trust between us is magical. I am grateful to have found my twin flame. I am grateful to be reunited with my twin flame in divine timing. I am grateful for my twin flame. I am grateful for the love, the honesty in our relationship. I am blessed to have reunited with my twin flame.